Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. My name is Asma Diab. I'm an interior architect and you are watching Decor Time. And this channel is all about home decor and interior design, gives you all the tips and the tricks to help you if you are remodeling or decorate your space. Today is a new video of Shop With Me to Decorate Your Home series, and we're still in Ikea. We're gonna check out the countertop materials that they have in their kitchens designs. We're gonna check it with the prices, and actually we have many videos in IKEA this year for the kitchens and sofas and many more. I'm gonna leave all the links in the description box, and it's gonna show up on the cards at the top right corner of the screen. You're gonna check it out if you are interested. They are all with the prices. They're gonna show all the new item stuffs in their store, especially in kitchen. They do have many new designs, trendy designs for 2023. They used all the trends or most of them. If you want to know more about kitchen designs trends in 2023, I do have a video in my channel. I'm gonna leave it in the description box. Go check it out after you watch this video. So before I leave you to enjoy the tour, don't forget to like and share and subscribe to my channel, and hit the little bell next to the subscribe button to be notified every time I upload new video. See you next time. Bye bye.